Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to dropship products from Lazada if you are from Thailand. So here I have my Lazada account, and then I also have here my Shopify account. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to dropship products from Lazada to our Shopify store. Since a Shopify store is available in Thailand, so it can be a way for you to use it. And also we are going to use this application, which is the Importify. So here we just have to create an account on Shopify and then log into your store, click on the apps, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Importify. Then after that, you'd be able to see an option where you have to install the application in your store. So you just have to follow these steps. Then of course, you have to sign up for an Importify account, and then you have to subscribe to a plan. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to use this application so that we can dropship products from our Lazada account. Okay, so let's try to go here on my Lazada account. So you just have to search using the search bar at the top, Lazada. That's right. So just click on this one, and then you'd be able to see here different products that you can drop ship. For example, this product. So when we open this one, you'd be able to see here the add option at the top left. So this is the Importify. Now, in order for us to have this feature, whenever we open products, what we are going to do is to install the extension on the browser that we are using. So just search for Importify extension, and you'd be able to see this option. So you just have to click on this one. That's right. And then I just have to click on add to browser option. And then after that, go to your extension icon at the top, and then you have to pin the Importify. And then after that, since you already logged into your Importify account and subscribed to a plan, you can now dropship this product. So just click on the button, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and you'll be able to see here now the details of the product. So we have the product, we have the description, we have the variants, and then the images of the product. Now, here on Importify, not everything you can drop ship. So you have to manually check one by one. For example, right here, we don't have the description, but don't worry, because you can ask for an assistant to AI so that you can create your own description. And then after that, you just have to add it to your Shopify store. Okay, so let's try to add another product. Then after that, we are going to check our Shopify store. Okay, so if you want to search for a specific product, you can also use the search bar at the top, and then I just have to find the product that you can sell on your store. Okay, so I'm just going to type out right here, lamp, and then I just have to select the product. Then after that, you'll be able to see here the Importify icon, and then just have to click on it. And then you have here the details of the product, and then I just have to add it to your store after checking all of the details. Okay, that's right. Then once you're done, we can now go back to our Shopify store. Okay, and then just go to the product section. And as you can see, we have successfully dropshipped 2 products from Lazada. So if you want to customize this one, you just have to click on the product, and right here you'll be able to see the full details of the product. And since we don't have a description for this one, we can generate or ask for an AI assistant. So we just have to provide the name of the product as well as the needed information, and then we can generate now our own description right here. So we just have to copy the description. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.